숙모네 그 작은 숙모네 부모님 집에 왔는데요. 근데 집 구경을 시켜주신다 그래가지고 왔습니다. 집이 이렇게 생겼고 안도 되게 이뻐가지고 안은 들어가서 천천히 보여드릴게요.
They can come over. They can stay.
와.
Stay. I'm gonna tune on this. This. We're having algae problem in the pool today. I don't
Yeah.
know why.
아.
I'm gonna turn on that.
Yeah. Can I ask that? Yeah. Where is the?
I love the camera.
Yeah. This is mini camera.
This is how you do YouTube.
Yeah, and the
My face.
Say hi.
Hi, Nico. We love you. Oh my God. No, we don't go outside right now. You want to go take outside?
Yeah.
They're with you.
I see. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Hey. Hey, where are you go? Oh. Hey, 너네 나가는 거 아니야, 임마. Hey. 이렇게 수영장 있고, 이렇게도 있고, 바닥도 있어요. Hi. Yeah.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
And we just told him to, you stay, watch that, for baby. Very sweet.
놔. 이거 놔.
Oh, it's skinny.
놔야 돼. Hey. 안 돼. 이렇게 또 큰 집은 또 처음 와보네요. 물 기다리고 있습니다.
In 2-3 days, no longer than that. But it's gonna be very happy.
Try that tomorrow morning. You guys make some biscuits.
Yeah,
It's like,
Totally different pancake.
you're wonderful.
it's very chewy.
어.
He like the New York because
Yeah.
He like the shopping.
Yeah, like shopping and many people and huge
Like
buildings.
Seoul, a
Oh,
little bit.
but New York is a little bit better. Yeah, it's all better too.
Seoul is much better.
I think Seoul is cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but New York is very kind of food and
Diverse.
You
Yeah.
don't have crime in Korea. You don't have crime, right? You don't have like the same crime like.
Yeah, I know.
like in
Yeah.
New York. So for
I
me,
see so.
that is like paradise. It's much better. I saw a movie on TV
I know,
that talked
yeah.
about. They were in Seoul, and then I said, "Oh my God, it's beautiful! Look, greens and clean and nice people." So I think.
Yeah, we watched a show. What was
So
it
what's your
called?
show? You can buy, in another place. Enjoy. Look at that. This is what we want.
It's very huge. I've never seen this.
Big.
Yeah, big.
It's so big.
Wow.
Big.
It's very big. Yeah. It's like what is the football or something?
I know.
Yeah.
When you come back, we put a house here for you. That can just really turn 360. So it's really fun. It's like going to an amusement park.
How long?
For all these.
Yeah.
For all these, that takes about a day, 1 day.
1 day?
Yeah, or maybe a day and a half. Yeah. But for these.
Always, 1 day is always vroom. Yes, all around.
Yes, all day.
Oh,
Oh look, these are no plants. I have to change the plants. Okay. So here, this is the dark room. This gentleman doesn't use it very much because he doesn't ride the horse. This is a bathroom right here.
Yeah.
Look, I put a tire on the horse.
It's vintage.
It's vintage. I like it.
You know, some last time I used this one here.
Yeah.
Some near.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I never thought about it.
He looked me.
Hello.
Yeah.
So that's why it was.
Wow.
And she's beautiful. How are you, Victorious? Hi, Victorious.
Only one?
That
얘
one.
눈
Yeah,
좀 봐.
yes.
All straight.
눈이 어쩌면
Straight? Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect.
오케이. 그
Oh. Cute.
눈이 어쩜 이렇게 예쁘냐?
Yeah. Eyes-
eyeball is very
Eyes is
pretty.
like
Big.
yeah, big and
It's
very
a-
beautiful.
Because it's an Arabian horse. His breed is Arabian, so they are always like a very slim, big eyes, long neck. So
Oh. I see.
you see also, you see his face is really like a shapely. He is a sort of
A
a.
champion. He has the
Oh.
medals.
Why they tell?
He can go out because he likes it. Like racehorses, you know, are the same. They stay in their cage mostly in their stall.
Oh.
And so sometimes he takes him out. At first, he could only put him in this pen.
Yeah.
Now he can let him out. But I watch him. He just kind of hangs out right here. He's afraid to get too far from his stall.
Oh.
So, but if he were with another horse,
Yeah.
I think they would go around together, you know.
진짜 집이 엄청 커요. 이것도 다 집 자기 소유인 거예요, 지금. 와.
I had a big store for 12 years. Then I closed it because of COVID.
Yeah.
And so I brought everything here. And so I sold a lot of things.
Oh.
But now I have more. I don't know.
How about this?
Take the wall down in the kitchen and put it like a.
아.
어, 오케이.
So this is called the induction oven. So it has a tiny little flame.
Oh, it's working?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's for mowing.
Is this too?
Yeah.
I got this.
This is
What?
for the,
What?
this is called a bush hog. Is for the big field. It's
Oh.
really big blades for. You could cut little trees and.
Yeah.
And yeah,
I know,
use
but-
this all the time.
I've never seen this. Is this house? Why is the have a house? 어. 이런 게 집에 있네. 와.
Thank
What
you.
is this display?
You come over, stay here, party. Yes.
여기서
그 아니 프로포즈에서
프로포즈한다가 아니야.
Isn't that pretty?
아.
This was a garage, and so I said, we have too many garages, Patrick, let's do something with this. So we didn't know what to do. At first I wanted to do a painting studio, or maybe a cooking class place.
아.
And then now it's a bed and
This
breakfast.
one new, right? America.
I found it with Christina.
that's
and I
good.
thought, isn't it cute?
It's a box.
The box. So cute.
와.
Go upstairs.
어, can I talk?
This is very modern.
No, it's not.
와우.
그치요?
이 집은 또 이렇게 생겼네. 와, 완전 진짜 미국 느낌 물씬 난다. 그 미국의 그 가정집.
Yeah, for a while she was collecting everything.
와, 완전 미국 가정집 느낌이 진짜 제대로예요. 미쳤다.
That's pretty.
It's very good. It's very comfortable. Yeah,
It's
I like
cozy
it. Yeah,
with a fire.
yeah, cozy. Yeah, I
You know,
like
just
it.
watching TV, cooking, the view, and close by there is a cute little village. It's on the
Oh,
water.
Yeah.
So people just like like to go there and maybe have a little fun, come back. So they are in the country here, but in the water right there. You know, so it's kind of sweet.
Oh,
And so I did this.
yeah.
And Saturday I have guests.
Saturday?
So tomorrow I'm going to clean up, you know, freshen up everything. They stay. Isn't that pretty?
How much is one day?
Oh, to rent it, I do $300.
300?
For you, free.
Thank you.
Your family. See, isn't it pretty?
Yeah, it's very cozy.
It's cozy.
Yeah,
it's like
yeah.
a
It's-
chalet. It's
Oh,
not.
it's very good.
It's not modern, but I like it. So I had here grooms and brides. I had couples that celebrate their anniversary. And just I had like I had a couple of ladies that they want to come out and just get away from stress.
You make everything? Is everything?
Yeah, but
No way.
no, this was a garage.
Yeah,
So-
yeah.
This was the what is called the ceiling of the garage stopped here.
Ah.
The contractor we hired
Yeah.
make the new roof
Yeah.
and the new height.
Yeah.
And so, but also we worked very hard with them. Like we did the insulations inside the wood.
Yeah.
Patrick put the floor. I stained the floor. I put the floor, the
shape of Sicily,
the
right?
what is called the stone floor
Yeah.
in that room. And so I painted all the
You-
walls.
you-
Yeah, I like it. And see, these are brand new
Yeah.
because we had to raise the walls.
Yeah.
But these are the old wood of the old.
The chicken.
닭도 키워. 여기도 지금 여기 보시면 여기 지금 우달 터져 있는 데부터 여기 지금 테니스장도 집이신 거예요. 와 진짜 대박이다 여기. 집이 이렇게 커요. It's a real egg. Yeah.
Oh yeah, very fresh.
Can I show them this? This is a joke. She sometimes they
귀여워. 귀엽다 귀여워.
I just want to do stuff. What am I gonna do if I don't work in June? Do I stay home and do watch TV all day?
No.
No.
Yeah, no. It's working.
You know, I like
Yeah,
it. I like to be busy. You know, like I like to have a calendar that is full, so I can enjoy my day off and I can enjoy my crazy life too. You know. So
See you, yeah. Okay.
Sanjan, I love you. I love
Thank you.
I love you. Good luck with everything. Everything.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Safe trip, safe travels.
Yeah,
I wish I
thank
saw more of you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
He's looking good,
We
Mark.
wanted to get you over here with the young people, but it's just so hard. They all work.
일로 나가도 되잖아.
일로 나가면 안 될걸?
왜?
항상 우리 절로 나가는 거.
그러니까 이게 차가 일로 들렸으니까.
아이고. 다 찍었네.